Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to make Google Sheets on your iPhone. So actually there will be several ways that we can do to make a Google Sheet. So let me show you. The first way is just open a drive. So go into your drive and open it, and sometimes we will be generated into the home page, but this is not a place you belongs to. So please go into the files, and there will be a plus button in this down right corner here. You just need to click it, and there will be a lot of options to start a new document. Either you want to upload a folder, make a new folder, upload, or use the camera that connected into the drive, or you can also create a Google Docs, Google Sheet, and Google Slides. So if you want to make a Google Sheet by drive, you just need to click the Google Sheets. And now you just need to enter the name of the title. For example, let's try wand. And after you finish typing the title, you just need to click create. Now you already make your Google Sheet and you're ready to work for it. But what if we don't use the Google Drive on our phone? We just need to go back. Make sure that you have a application installed on your phones called Sheets. This is application that you use to make a Google Sheet. You just need to open it, and after that please click plus button just like we did before. And then after that we can do either you want to start a new spreadsheet, or we can also start choosing the template. Let's do a new spreadsheet. Type the title, try to, and after that just click create. And that's the way how you make a Google Sheet. So if you find that this video is really useful for you guys, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.